Good day, everyone. I am Macalin de Castro, and I will be discussing prevention of fish diseases through good management. Disease prevention on the fish farm is better than cure. All efforts should thus be directed toward applying good management practices. Here are the following preventive measures and management practices which must be carefully followed. First, ensure good water quality, which involves sufficient supply with adequate dissolved oxygen concentration and free of pollution. Second, keep the pond environment healthy by providing controlled ponds lit to control the water flow and further enhance the water quality. Also, control unwanted plants by removing unwanted vegetation, which might assist in the accumulation of decomposing organic matter, causing dissolved oxygen deficiency. Third, keep a healthy balance of phytoplankton and zooplankton and exchange water if needed. Fourth, if necessary, use mechanical aeration, particularly if engaging in intensive fish farming of high-quality fish species under extremely well-managed and controlled conditions. Fifth, disinfect the pond regularly, using simple methods such as allowing the pond to dry after each crop. This involves putting the pond to rest by drying through the sun to further kill both the diseased organisms and their intermediate host. Six, keep the fish in good condition by controlling stocking density and by placing only the recommended amount of fish in each pond. Seventh, keep the fish sizes or sexes separate if necessary to control fighting. Wounds can become inflamed, which may lead to disease problems. Eighth, ensure a good food supply. Make certain that the feed is not spoiled or deteriorated. Be careful when using trash fish or processing waste as supplementary feed. If possible, boil the raw materials for at least 30 minutes or use it for compost or silage feeds. If natural food supplies are limited, add vitamin supplements to the cooked food to ensure its quality. Ninth, handle the fish properly, especially during harvesting and sorting or grading. Use fishing gear with mesh size appropriate to the size of the fish. 10th, care for your fish during storage and transport. This is to ensure that your fish is in good condition and avoid mortality within your stock. 11th, prevent the entry of disease organisms from outside the farm. This is done by controlling wild fish by using filters and screens. Regularly remove them from canals and ponds. You should also control the fish eating predators, particularly birds and mammals. 12. Disinfect all fish stocks imported from outside as eggs, juveniles, or adults. Disinfect juveniles before stocking them in clean fattening ponds. Treat broodstock before using them for propagation in breeding ponds. 13th, if a disease breaks out on the farm, remove dead or dying fish from ponds as quickly as possible, at least daily, and do not disturb and stress the remaining fish excessively. Bury deceased fish with quicklime away from the ponds. Carefully treat infected ponds and disinfect all equipment that has come in contact with them. 14th, disinfect fishing gear regularly. This is done by soaking it in bleach. Use disinfectant bins for routine equipment disinfection and mark the equipment accordingly. And lastly, use a simple disinfecting bath for fish, which can be made using common salt in a 3% solution for 5 minutes. Once again, all of these are the preventive measures which you can use in preventing fish diseases.
And that concludes our discussion about fish health and diseases. Once again, we are Group 3. Thank you for watching.